key in putting milk in it is that you have hot coffee and you put in cold milk and it cools it down. Doggone it, huh? So when I was milking in the morning, I'd make my coffee in the morning, I'd drink my cup out here, and the first cow that came in, I'd squirt milk in my coffee. How do you like that? It's delicious. It's milk, it's just milk. So, grown-ups, real quick, I didn't tell the kids this, but the milk in my tank is considered raw milk. It has not been pasteurized, and it has not been homogenized. So when the milkman comes, he takes our raw milk to the dairy, and that's where they process it, okay? So, but all that to say, I don't buy my milk at the grocery store. I drink raw milk because I'm too lazy to go to the store to get milk. I just want to get it here. It's bad enough to actually put my shoes on, walk across the yard, you know. But yeah, isn't that nice? When I had all of my kids at home, I kept saying to my husband, can we just make the pipeline go from the cooler into our house? Because we drink so much milk. All right, one more quick, very interesting fact. So I told you that the milk leaves here. The milkman took it this morning, right? And he took that milk to Prairie Farms Dairy. And in Peoria, all we do at that plant there at the university is bottled fluid milk. We don't make ice cream or cottage cheese or anything there. It's a fluid milk plant. So the milk that left today, by this time tomorrow, will be out in the grocery store. So in Peoria, we are so lucky to have a fluid milk market so close, because you get fresh milk from Prairie Farms. That's the way to go. It's local, it's fresh, and it's great.
Just get the milk from Hy-Vee.
Do they have? I think they have Prairie Farms there, don't they? I think they carry Prairie Farms. If they don't, you need to find a different grocery store. Yeah. All right. Well, kids, so there she is. Every morning and every night, all 100 of our cows file through this barn. They get milk 6 at a time. And then we clean everything up. That's why the floor is wet. We wash out all the pipes and hoses. And then this evening at 5 o'clock, we do it all over again. And the cows come in 6 at a time. It takes about 3.5 hours to get everybody milked. All right?
So do you eat dinner before or after?
We eat dinner at noon. So farmers eat dinner at noon, yeah. So we have breakfast in the morning. When I was milking, I didn't